Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we are going to be unboxing a PR package from Glamnetic. I'm so excited and so honored to get to do this video with you guys. If you guys want to see what I think about these products, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and let's get on into the video. Before we start off this video, I just want to say a huge thank you to Glamnetic for sending me these products. I am so honored and so excited to get to use them and to create some fun makeup looks with them in the future. If you guys want to check out any of these products, you can use my code BEAUTIES10 at checkout. I will have Glamnetic and all of their products linked below in the description. And yeah, let's get on into the video so you guys can see what Glamnetic is all about. I am so excited to try them because not only are they magnetic lashes, but there's also press-on nails. And you guys know how I love my nails, so it's really exciting to get to mix them. And these are so cute. Let's start with the lashes. So the lashes are magnetic lashes, so you get magnetic lash glue, and then that way it's just really easy and simple to apply. This is in the style Brat. And then we have Glamnetic lashes, and this is an Ecstasy X, and these are so cool. I've never had colored lashes before, so the fact that they're magnetic and bright pink is iconic. I love that. And then the last lash is in the style Bella. And then we have two different sets of press-on nails, and these say that they're reusable, which is really nice. We love something that you can reuse and it's not a one and done situation. This is in the style Spotted. These are going to be the ones I'm applying today. I mean, look at how cute they are. I'm so excited. And then there's the Glamnetic, and this is in the style Madame. And then we have the Glamnetic Lash Grab, which is just going to be a bright pink lash grab. If you guys don't have lash grabs, these are so useful, especially when applying false lashes. If you apply false lashes often, I recommend these the most. They're so much safer than tweezers. Plus, they're just like easier shape and fit for your hand, and they just make it so easy to get into all those little corners that you need to get with your lashes. So these are the best. And then lastly, we have the Emerald Green Glamnetic Magnetic Liner, and this isn't a felt tip liner, so this is going to be really easy to use. I'm really excited to try this one because I've never tried a felt tip magnetic colored liner before. So I'm really excited to try all of these products out. I think it's going to be so fun to see what they can do. And these lashes look really good quality, you guys. They look really amazing. So, but these spotted ones, these cheetah print spotted ones, I have had my eye on the second I opened them. I looked at those and I was like, oh, those are cute. Okay, I got my coffee. Let's get on into this. Okay, so first I'm gonna do my nails because I literally have not had, I took off my old nails so I could apply these, and I do not like having just like bare fingers. I'm so excited to put these on. They're so cute. Okay, so basically what you get when you open up the package is the first set of nails, and then you get an alcohol wipe, glue, a nail file, and a cuticle pusher, and then some extra nails to help match whatever size your nails are. I'm gonna go ahead and start by pushing my cuticles back. I've learned that pushing my cuticles back has been something that has really helped to make the nails last longer over time. I've been putting on glue on nails for like almost 2 years straight now, and I love it. I think it's so amazing. I think it saves so much more money versus going to the salon, because I used to get dip on my nails and it was great, but it was like you would have to sit in there for 2 hours. You know, it was almost like $100 per set. You'd have to go every month. Whereas if you have glue-ons, you put them on whenever you want. I can get mine to last for like a month, depending on like the nail and like how I do it. So I love them. If you can get them to stay the same amount of time as the salon, like why would you not? Then I'm just gonna take the file and file down my nails, make sure that there's no rough edges. Now I'm going to take the alcohol wipe and clean off my fingers so that my nails have a nice clean fresh base to be applied to. Get any gross bacteria out of here. I do, guys, I feel like as soon as I put these nails on, I'm going to be like back on my like level. I think these nails are so cute. Like as soon as I got them, I showed all my friends. I was like, you guys, look how cute these nails are. Okay, I am going to match up the sizes of my nails, and I will be right back and I will take you through my process of gluing them on. Okay, now that I've gotten my nails sized up, which was actually really easy, I feel like all of my nail sizes were at the top, so that was Super simple for me. Okay, so it comes with the Glamnetic nail glue. So one of my nail hacks is that I always put a little bit of glue, like a little dot, on the bed of the nail there, just so that it helps to stick, and then I put the rest of the glue on my actual nail. That's just what I have found to work best for me and helping them last longer. And then I just take the nail and I push it back up kind of into the cuticle just to really get it set in there. And then I'm gonna hold it down on my finger for about 15 seconds just to really secure the nail on. You guys, look at how cute that is. And then taking the nail, and again, I'm just gonna push it back a little bit into the cuticle and then hold it on my finger for about 15 seconds. You guys, I'm so hyped. Okay, I'm gonna finish up this hand. Little drop of glue. These nails are so cute, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna put on the thumb and then I'm done with my left hand. Hold it there for 15 seconds. Really get it stuck on there. Look at how good that looks. These are so cute. And I love that they're not like clear, like they have that hint of pink. It just makes your hands like look so much healthier. Okay, I'm gonna do my other hand off camera just so I can match the vibes because I feel my best in these. So let me go do the other hand off camera and I will be right back, and then we'll try out the magnetic liner and the lashes and we'll really get the full tea. Now that I put the nails on, let's move into the lashes, and to start that off, I'm gonna use the Glamnetic Magnetic Felt Tip Eyeliner Pen in the shade Emerald. And I wanted to get green because I wanted to have a color that I don't have in this, especially in a magnetic liner. I feel like it's so simple to go with just black or something like that, but to have a really colorful felt tip magnetic liner can make the look so fun and can really bump up the creativity of your look. So I really wanted to try it with this. So what I'm gonna do pretty much is apply this and then put on all 3 of the styles of lashes. That way you guys can see what they look like on. Here we go. This is the felt tip. So the weird thing is that it's going on my hand and it went on the first layer, but it's having a really hard time forming like a sharp wing. Interesting. It's a really pretty color and it's coming on, it's just not creating a wing. Considering that it won't let me really do a like graphic liner with this, it's gonna be hard to do creative graphic liner looks. But it also worries me because when you do magnetic liner with the lashes, you need at least like 2 to 3 layers for the magnets to really stick to the liner. And so if this could only really do 1, I'm just really curious on how that's gonna hold up. But let's try it out. Okay, so this one is in the style Bella. Okay, so the lash actually stuck on pretty well with only having a layer, or what seems like a layer, and it doesn't feel heavy, which is really nice. I think the dangerous thing sometimes about magnetic lashes that is because of the anchors, the lashes can feel really heavy on the eyes, but that's not the case with these. They actually feel really soft. I like the shape of it and the flare that it has at the end. This liner kind of disappointed me. I was really excited because I don't really know what's going on with the liner and why it kind of won't apply to my eye. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a different magnetic liner so that the lashes have a real chance of showing you guys, because I do really like how this lash is looking, and I bet once we have on legit magnetic lash glue, the lashes will do amazing. So okay, so I applied both of the lashes in the style Bella, and this is what it looks like. I love the way that they flare out, and they're so light, you guys, which is really important with magnetic lashes. I already mentioned this, but the anchors, it can get really tiring and heavy on your eyes over time, and these are super light. I would not even think that they were magnetic lashes from how comfortable they are. And I didn't have to trim them to my eye shape, which is another thing with magnetic lashes. Sometimes the band is too big or too small on your eyes, and normally I have the issue where lashes are too big. But the fact that this was a no trim situation for me, I didn't have to cut off any anchors. It was really simple to just plop on my eyes and I'm good to go. Like, you guys, that literally took me maybe like 2 minutes to do. These are really nice quality. I really like them. Okay, should we switch out a style and try another style next? Something that I really like about magnetic, you can literally just take it off, put it back in its container. and they don't pull super hard on your lashes, which is really nice. Normally when you have to take off your lashes, you're like pulling them off with the glue. So it goes off really easy. Okay, the next one I want to try is the Ecstasy X. I am so excited to try these. These are pink lashes, you guys. They are pink lashes. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. They're pink and purple. We're just gonna pop them on. You ready? Look at how cool those are. I have a really cool makeup look idea that I want to do with these lashes in the future. This would have been, my mind is still a little bit on Halloween. These would be amazing lashes to do if you were like hot lava girl. I feel like they would be so cute. And again, they're super light, like you barely even notice them on your eyes. I feel like they add a little bit of a pop. Like I've never had colored lashes on before. Like I would totally rock these out. Like these are so cute. I'm so excited about those. I cannot wait to do a really cool creative look with them. They're also super easy to pull off my lash and pop them back in their case. Now the next lash that we get to try is in the style Brat. Oh my gosh, I love those. I really like that style on my eye shape. You guys, I love this style. This one is in the style Brat. And again, it feels super light on the eyes. I would not even feel or notice the anchors. I just like that this shape is so light and dainty, and you know, you definitely have options on their website. They have a lot of different styles and shapes that you could use on your eyes. And I think something that's important with lashes is having that range, because there's so many people with so many different eye shapes. And so to have that range so people can really find what style looks best on their eye shape and what it does to accentuate the eyes in the way that they want their eyes to be accentuated in. If you look at these, you can kind of see, let me get this to focus, how intricate and well placed it is for the style and the shape. They're crisscrossed very nicely. They're separated really well. Like these are really nice lashes, you guys. And you know me, I have reviewed my fair share of lashes. I've tried my fair share of lashes, and these are really, really nice. The nails are good quality. This is quality products that we're getting here. This is metal too. It's not like a plastic, like this is metal. The magnetic lashes will literally stick to this. Look. Okay, I'm so happy about this. I really liked all of the products. The only products that I struggled with was the Glamnetic felt tip liner. It just didn't really do much for me. Like it applied great the first time, but after that I kind of had an issue getting it to do what I wanted it to do. It kind of seemed like it dried out a little bit, which is totally fine. Liners are hard, especially magnetic, colorful eyeliners. Those are hard to do. You don't really see a lot of those on the market. So I'm all for trying new things and trying new formulas, and maybe I just got a bad one, I'm not sure. Everything else I loved. I'm obsessed with the nails. I can't wait to put these on next. These are so cute. Look at the French. If you guys want to try out these products for yourself, you can use my code BEAUTIES10 at checkout and go ahead and try out some of these products. They have super cute nails. They have a ton of stuff that you guys can go check out. I will have all their information linked down below in the description if you guys want to. And again, you can use my code BEAUTIES10 at checkout to save some money. I'm pretty sure my code only lasts for 2 more months, so I would look sooner than later and make sure you get that discount while you check out. Big thank you to Glamnetic for sending me these products to review. I am so honored that you guys found me and sent me these products. These are amazing, you guys, for real. I'm so excited to get to use them in future looks and to get to play with these products some more. So thank you so much, Glamnetic. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye, beauties.